Alright, welcome back ladies and gentlemen to the Chupacabra tutorials channel. I'm your host Larry, and today I'm going to show you where all of the in-world biolabs are that were added with the most recent patch for 1.1 adaptive measures in Subnautica 2. So the one that everyone's familiar with is over here in the Welcome Center. This is like the first biolab that most people interact with, but there's actually two new ones before you even build one in your own base that can help you unlock stuff. The first one that you'll want to mess around with is actually in the Camp 1 ruins, and to get there, all you have to do is go from the life pod to the northeast, past this giant piece of the cicada wreckage. And then as you go over here, you'll go past the angel comb and you'll pass it on your left. And you'll see in the distance the Camp 1 sign. So this is Camp 1, and where the new biolab is inside of this building right here. And to get inside of this building, you need to enter from below, but to open it so you can actually get inside of it, you first have to swim into this tube over here, swing around the side, and then press this button in order to open this hatch and flood it so you can get inside. Once you've done that, you can swim down here to where this downed tunnel is, and you can go up inside of here. And here is where the first biolab is that you can mess around with. It should say enabled on it. And here is where you can mess around with some of your biomods and unlock some new ones. Although I can't properly demo that because I'm in creative mode, and all of this stuff is available to me from the beginning. I'll make sure that the coordinates for this are up on the screen right now if you like to use coordinates to navigate around the game using one of the interactive maps. And then we will go ahead and head over to the next one, which is now over in the alien ruins. Alright, so for the next leg of our adventure, we need to go over here to the Alien Ruins base, the furthest human settlement to the east that we currently have in the game. I guess it's also called the Research Outpost. And we are about 1,300 meters directly east from the life pod, past the Collector Leviathan, so just be careful when you come on over here. So inside of the Research Outpost is where our next biolab is. So to find it, all you have to do is swing inside. You'll probably have to power this place, which will require going inside of here and slapping a battery inside of this bad boy right here. And then once you do that, you'll be able to go inside of here, follow this cable in, and here is your next biolab. And it's just inside of the observation room next to the Noetic Advisor. So basically the furthest inside of here from when you go in the front door over there. And that is where your two new biolabs are inside of Subnautica 2. I hope you found that helpful. I've been your host, Larry. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will catch you next time. I've got the coordinates up for this one as well if you need it. And yeah, that'll be it. Hope you found that helpful, and I'll catch you later. Bye, everybody.